Hey guys, it's Maddie with Maddie's TV coming to you with another video. So today, y'all, I was doing a video in reference to Cooking with Tracy. As you all know, she passed away about 2 weeks ago. I've been trying to get this video in, and every time something comes up. But I first would like to say that my condolences go out to your family. And in dedication of Cooking with Tracy, I'm going to do, she had a whole slab of rib challenge going on, so I'm going to do that. What we are asking, for those of you who are not subscribed to her channel, we're asking that you go on over and subscribe to her channel to show support. As I understand it, her kids will be taking over her channel. So again, prayers lifted for the family. I would like to take a moment and say a prayer. Amen. So the challenge wasn't timed, but it was just a full slab of ribs. So here, I got my food from Applebee's, and this is their macaroni and cheese with bacon bits. I've never had it before, but I said I'll go ahead and try it. And then also, they was real tight with the broccoli, but I got some broccoli. And I got my full slab of ribs. And let me get a quick thumbnail. Trying to be cute, huh? Let me see. Okay. All right. One of them should be good. No. And then, of course, I have my drink of choice. So, yeah, y'all, as I said before, I really didn't know Tracy like that. But any YouTuber out here is considered YouTube family to me. So, again, this is my way of paying my respect. And I've watched her channel over the past week or two grow and continue to grow. So if you don't have her, go on over and subscribe to her channel. As I said before, her kids will be, maintaining her channel. They I believe they have in their link too when you go over there, their Cash App information. So just head on over there. Let's see what this tastes like, y'all. This is the mac and cheese. Look at that. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So Tracy had a video out, and this is how I met her. She was doing a 10-minute challenge for a pound of shrimp. I knew I love seafood, so when I saw that video, I had to do it. I did the video, and I know shrimp are not cheap. Not here. So I did a video. I don't know what happened. I don't know if my husband accidentally deleted it or what, but we couldn't find the video. So I went on Tracy's channel, and I told her I had did the challenge. If something happened, and I had to do it again. And of course, she says, "Oh, it's okay," and then she hoped that I'd do it again, or whatever. But yeah. That was the only time I talked to her. whatever, but, you know, my heart goes out to her family. And I too have been following her videos, you know, going up there to show support. And besides that, my notification bell just don't work. I don't know what's going on with the notification bell. Okay, it's not a time challenge. And I'm going to keep y'all on. I'll probably eat just this half a side. Like I said, if you don't have her, please subscribe to her channel to show support. One thing I say about the YouTube family, though, we stick together. You know, you might be hearing stuff that people said or whatever, but when it comes to sticking together, I can honestly say we do stick together. And I hear people talking about the bigger YouTubers all the time. I follow them all. I follow all of them. And I promise you, sometimes when I be looking at their video, I know for a fact that they watch me too. And I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Yeah, these ribs good. They are good. My son stopped eating meat about 2 weeks ago. And he said he feels so much better. I feel so much better too because I ain't got to share. So if you just stay eating meat, he'd be right out here eating some ribs with me. Yeah. So again, I just wanted to come up here and give my condolence and do this video. For Tracy. You know, a lot of people I say, well, why did you do it when she was living? I got an answer for that. Because I was subscribed to her channel. But you know, after you get so many subscribers and your notification bell don't go on, it's hard to tell. And my notification bell for sure don't work. It does not work. And then probably by the time I went into the other section of my phone, it probably was gone. But I'm here now, so that's all that matters. That's all that matters. I'm trying to think of what them noodles taste like. They gotta taste good. But I want to say something. My thoughts is, you know, life is short. If you want to show me love, genuine love, that is. Show it to me now. Don't wait until something tragic happens. You know, that was the saying my mother used to have. My mother used to say, don't give me flowers when I'm dead, give them to me while I'm alive. I can't smell them when I'm dead, you know? So, some might get mad about what I just said, but that's how I feel. That's how I feel. You know. Well, but I guess the fact of the matter is, regardless of when you showed it, you showed it. So that's how I have to look at that. Look, y'all. And like I said, I'm not going to keep y'all long. But if y'all want to know, if I could, this is the last piece to the slab. Or half of the slab. Can I keep going? Yes, absolutely. But I know y'all not going to continue to watch it. If y'all watch it. This is one, I guess I'm supposed to eat the whole slab though. But I'm not, because I don't want to keep you. That's what I just said. This is one YouTuber, y'all. She's a little itty bitty, tiny little something. And you've been a big girl watching this little petite young lady. Look at the way she eat. I'll be like, man, where's she putting all that food at? Mm-hmm. Alright. I'm gonna break one off this other slab because I feel like this is what I got left, y'all. That's what I got left. So y'all know I can crush that. Well, I had a little piece of burn from the grill on that one. That one was pretty tasty. Yeah, but I watched a lot of Tracy's videos. And I want to say she's in a better place than us now because she don't have to go through everything that we're going through down here now. And she don't have to suffer no more. She don't have to suffer no more. And as I watched the videos, she's strong. And she said it. She's strong. And she fought a good fight. She fought a good fight. I was watching her pull herself through the videos, and it looked like on some of the videos, she barely could sit up. But she did it. She did it. She was strong, and she was determined, and she believed in prayer. All right, y'all. I'm not going to keep y'all. Again, my condolences to Cooking With Tracy's family. Bless up. Much love to each and every one of you. All things I do with love. Peace and blessings to each and every one of you out there. If nobody told you that they love you, Aunt Maddie does. God bless.